Let's talk about basic Chinese word order. Here we see it on the screen. Subject, adverbial, verb, object. Adverbial is introduced in this lesson. In lesson 4, we see the adverbs. The adverbs can refer to time, I'll just abbreviate it with a T, or place, which we will see in the next lesson, lesson 5, or manner. And in this lesson, we see more about the manner in terms of 常常. In terms of time, we do learn the word for weekend, 周末. But we can have other times, 明天, 今天. But in terms of manner, how something is done, 我常常做. 我常常去吃饭. So I often go out to eat. And a lot of other things will affect the basic word order, but that is the basic word order. So if you stick to that, you'll be pretty good. And that takes us to the next item, which is 那么, a conjunction of sorts, which is a great word to use because it kind of links thoughts together. It's a great way to pause and reflect on what was just said, and then introduce a new kind of resultative idea based on what was just said. So you can oftentimes just pause a little bit and say 那么, and then come up with whatever kind of phrase you wanted to say. So if somebody was inviting you out to eat and said, but my wife is vegetarian, then you might say, 那么我们去, we'll go to in that case, let's go to a vegetarian restaurant. 我们去吃素吧. And that would be helpful in that situation. And I just gave you another example of this 去. 去 is a great word, a great verb by itself, meaning to go. 去不去? Are you going? But it can also be used in conjunction with other verbs. So if you want to ask or want to tell somebody about where you're going to do something, or that's what you could use this 去 for. So 去看电影. If you're going to go someplace to do another action, you would need this 去. So 去吃饭 would be to go out to eat. You would never say 去吃饭 if you were going to eat at home. It wouldn't make any sense. So if you wanted to go to somebody else's home, though, you could say 我去他家吃饭. That would be fine. And that brings us to the grammar challenge, which will include the 因为所以 pattern to explain why you can't or don't want to go or participate in some activity this weekend. And make sure you include what day the activity is going to take place as part of your explanation. So we saw this pattern in the dialogue, 因为所以 pattern in the dialogue itself, but it wasn't being used as an excuse on why they couldn't go. It was kind of an explanation of why they wanted to be inviting her out to eat. So in this case, in the grammar challenge, you're coming up with an excuse why you did not want to go or cannot go in the future. Have fun with that. We'll see you in class.